What's up YouTube, it's your boy J-Max. So my last video I showed you guys, I was about to buy 2 tires to put on my stock GT Infiniti, then to find out that the idiot who had the car before me actually had 3 7.5 and 1 8.5. So that put me in a pretty much tight situation. Now I can't really sell 3 Infiniti wheels without, you know, and 1 8.5. So I decided that instead of just going through all of that work, I'm gonna buy 2 wheels. So the shop that I work at, I just picked up the Advance, the Yokohamas, really nice threading, brand new. And I just like, you know what, fuck it, just throwing 2 wheels with it. So I bought 2 rims to go in the back. It looks really disgusting, really disgusting. So because I like the look so much, I'm probably going to buy 2 of the front wheels just so that it looks you know, a little uniform. I'm a kind of guy like that. It's a little bit of an eyesore for me for now, but for now I just want to get some content out there. So I'm probably gonna just paint these 2, right, and run the 7.5 in the front for now. Now initially I was actually looking at the Firehawks, the Indies, for the rear anyways, and I noticed that this guy already have Firestones in the front. So I'm just gonna paint these black to somewhat match that and throw it on the car. That's my plan now. So I'm gonna just get these into the shop, let him strip the tires off and just spray it with can spray, because honestly I don't really care about these wheels. I have so much wheels, I just need something to throw on the car for now. All right, so I got my tires stripped off. So what I'm gonna do, so the things you're gonna need some can spray. I'm gonna use that, maybe some primer if I necessarily need to. You're gonna need some grease and wax remover. That's the other one, so in case that one runs out, right? You're gonna need some lint-free cloth, and you're gonna need your orbital sander. So because you have so much edges and round stuff, you're gonna want to get a foam to sand that down, and you're gonna need a blower. So let's get this started. So the first thing you want to do, you want to start off with a little aggressive I guess sheet, because you want to get all the curb rashes off.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder.
Alright, so because there's so much ins and out of this wheel, you're gonna have to obviously use either your scuff pad, or you're gonna have to use sandpaper. So I will get that all started up and running, and you know, you guys will get the point. All right, so I've went ahead and scuffed down the wheel. I don't care how bad it is. It does need a little bit in the corners. My fingers hurt, so I'm just not gonna worry about that for now. So our next step we gotta do, is to brush all the dust off. This is where your cleaning solution for the grease and wax remover come in. I mean, I don't necessarily need it because it's can spray, so I don't think there's gonna have any allergic reaction, but I'm a painter. That's usually how I work. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it right. So you just want to lightly remove any oil. So I had some spray paint, armor coat. I don't care how the rim comes out, I just need it to be black. So this shit been sitting in the cold all year round. I just put it in some hot water for a little while, and I'm gonna shake the crap out of it before I start applying my first coat. So before you spray, you want to give it a nice last blow down. A good method to get this thing sprayed on properly is to get a trigger. These things sell in your hardware store, and they're universal for cans. Just to reiterate what I just said, you want to make sure you get the edges properly. That way, when you put on the tire and the guy scrapes it, it doesn't damage it off. So you wanna overlap the spray on the rim, the end of the wheel. But let me know what you guys think. I use this high heat paint. It's cold outside. It's kind of hard to spray. It's cold outside, but all in all, it came out pretty good. I didn't spray the inside face of it, sorry, the inside lip, because I mean it's race wheels. I don't really care. And yeah, guys will go out and buy plastic dip. Why buy plastic dip? This thing is way stronger. It will last longer. It looks better. Look at it, fast drying. And yeah, it dries literally in about 20 minutes. You can touch it. That's how they look. If this video was helpful, don't forget to smash that like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all in the next video. Peace.